In this video, I'll show you how to play Genshin Impact in school. First of all, you need to open your browser and you need to search for the simple keyword game loop, and you need to open the first result, which is gameloop.com. So this is the Android emulator which you need to install into your device. Just go to this page and click download gameloop right here, and once you will download it, you need to install it and then you need to open it. So when you open the game loop, you will see the search bar in the top. You need to write Genshin in the search bar and click the search button, and in the top of the search results will be Genshin Impact, and here will be the install button. Click on the install and wait few minutes or seconds. So as you can see, guys, we just installed the Genshin Impact on our computer, and you can log in right here and start playing Genshin Impact in your school. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.